Meet a human being at 7 in the morning, sitting cross-legged on a special cushion, eyes closed, face serene. Beautiful, peaceful, holy almost. Now look closer. One eye is slightly open, is watching a phone. On the phone, a timer counts down from 10 minutes, and above the timer, glowing like a tiny sacred flame, is a number. 147. That is the streak. 147 days of meditation in a row, and you know this person because this person might be you. It started so innocently. A friend said you seemed stressed. You downloaded an app. The app had a gentle voice and a picture of a lake. And somewhere between day 1 and day 147, something quietly changed. The point stopped being peace. The point became a number. When the timer hits 0, watch what happens. Confetti, actual digital confetti, raining over the word mindful. And our human, this calm, serene, spiritual being, pumps a fist like they just won a championship. Inner peace, achieved. Scheduled for tomorrow, same time. Attendance is mandatory. It is now 9:58 at night, 3 weeks later. Our human is in bed, exhausted, half asleep, drifting into actual real rest, which, fun fact, is the thing meditation was invented to help with. And then the phone lights up. A notification. Do not lose your streak. 2 minutes left to meditate today. And watch the panic. Watch a person leap out of bed like the house is on fire, sit down on a cushion, and slam the 10-minute session down to the 3-minute one, then the 1-minute one. Breathe in, breathe out. Done. Streak saved. Heart rate, 140. Our human just did the most stressful relaxation in recorded history. And here is the beautiful part. They felt nothing. No peace. No presence. Just relief. The same relief you feel when you pay a bill one day before the late fee. Somewhere along the way, sitting in silence became another deadline. The lake picture is still there. The gentle voice is still there. But the practice that was supposed to free the mind now owns a small piece of it, and it charges rent and guilt. Let us open the trophy room. The app has badges. Early bird, from meditating before 8. Night owl, from meditating after 10. Zen master, for hitting 500 mindful minutes, which our human checks the way other people check their bank account. There's a graph of calm, a leaderboard of friends. Yes, a leaderboard. Somewhere out there, an actual human named Jeff has a 400-day streak, and our human has feelings about Jeff. Strong feelings. A meditated feeling. You know this moment. Comparing your stillness to someone else's stillness, which if you say it out loud, sounds like two monks' arm wrestling over who is more relaxed. And notice what the numbers did. They took something ancient, something people once walked into mountains to find, and turned it into homework with a progress bar. Every wisdom tradition on earth agrees on one thing. Presence cannot be counted. So of course we invent an app that counts it. Not because we are stupid, because we are scared. A number feels safe. A streak feels like proof. Proof that we're doing life right, that we're becoming someone better, that all this sitting is adding up to something. And then comes the day. You knew it was coming. A long day of travel, a dead battery, a sick kid, real life doing real life things. Our human opens the app at midnight and 1, and the number is gone. 168 days. Vanished. Reset to 0. And watch the grief. Real grief. Staring at the phone at midnight, feeling like a failure, whispering, I lost it. Lost what exactly? Here is the question nobody asks in this moment. What was actually lost? The peace? No. Peace does not live in a counter. The habit? No. The body still knows how to sit and breathe. What died was the proof. The little scoreboard that whispered, you're doing it right. You are on track. You are enough today. And this is where it gets honest. Because if losing a number on a screen can flatten you, the number was never measuring your calm. It was holding your worth. And a practice that was supposed to teach you that you were already whole had quietly become one more place where you had to earn it. That is not a meditation problem. That is the oldest human ache there is, wearing a wellness costume. Which brings us to our guide, who has been sitting in the corner of this episode the whole time, quietly smiling because he has seen this before. He would tell you something like this. You cannot turn coming home to yourself into a chore and expect it to feel like home. But he would also tell you the part we skip. The streak was never the enemy. Look at what the streak was pointing at. 168 days in a row, something in you kept showing up. Not for the confetti. Confetti is not that good. Something in you already knows that the silence is real, that underneath the noise there's a still place with your name on it, and it wanted to go there every single day. That is not an addiction to an app. That is a homesickness for yourself. And here is the moment worth sitting with. Long before phones, people tied knots and ropes, moved beads through their fingers, one prayer at a time. Humans have always counted their way toward the sacred. The counting is not the problem. The counting becomes a problem the moment you start worshiping the rope instead of what the rope was for. So here is the toolkit, and none of it requires deleting anything. Tool 1. Once a day, sit without the phone. No timer, no app, no proof. 2 minutes by a window counts. If nobody saw it and nothing logged it, did it still happen? Yes, that is the whole lesson. Tool 2. Let a streak die on purpose. Once. Skip a day while feeling fine and watch yourself survive it. That one skip day will teach you more about freedom than a year of confetti. Tool 3. Change what you measure. Do not ask, did I meditate today? Ask, was I actually here today? Did I taste the coffee? Did I hear the person talking to me? Or was I loading my answer? The barista knows if your practice is working before your app does. And tool 4. When you do use the app, use it like a doorway, not a report card. Walk through it into the quiet and leave the numbers at the door. The lake picture was never the lake. You're allowed to just sit down beside the water. 1 month later, same human, same window, early morning. The phone is in the other room, face down, unbothered. No timer is running. No one is counting. And our human is just sitting there, watching the light change on the buildings, breathing like it is not an assignment. Is this meditation? No idea. Nobody is keeping score anymore. Somewhere out there, Jeff is on day 462, and honestly, good for Jeff. May his confetti be plentiful. But in this room, there is something no leaderboard has a badge for. A person who is actually here, present for the light, the breath, the ordinary morning that was never ordinary. The streak that matters was never on the screen. You have been breathing your whole life. That counter has never once reset. And if you sit very still right now, wherever you're watching this, you can feel it. That quiet place, under all the noise, never needed an app to exist. It was you, the whole time, waiting patiently to be visited. The door is open. It has always been open, and it does not close at midnight.
Hey, this is Chancel. If this touches something in you, like this video and subscribe and share it with somebody who needs it. And if you want real help on your path, come to chancelholisticcoaching.com. The link is below. With love.